Assalamualaikum and hi. Let's continue to the remaining 4 phylum. Okay, it is phylum Atropoda, Moluska, Akinodermata and Kordata. Same as before, you have to know the unique characteristic. Okay, this is phylum Atropoda. Phylum Atropoda, they are usually focusing on insects. Okay, so they are bilateral symmetry, triploblastic, coelomate. Here they have paired segmented appendages. Okay, usually it has 6 appendages and it comes in 3 pair lah. Okay, first pair, second pair, third pair. Okay, so it has chapelization. Okay, it has head, thorax and abdomen. Usually they have antenna and also compound eye. The body is segmented. Okay, the exoskeleton is usually covered with chitin. Okay, chitin is a soft shell, a kind of soft shell. Okay, the circulatory system, the blood circulation is open blood circulation system, and they have hemocoel, which is the blood cavity. They have a complete digestive system starting from the mouth up until anus. The excretory systems are also complete, and the nervous systems is also advanced. Okay, with the presence of antenna, it is much advanced. Okay, then it is exoskeleton. The sensory organs are highly developed. The reproduction, they have separate sexes. Okay, they have male and female, and the reproduction is usually internal fertilization. Okay. The respiratory system is through spiracles, okay, which is located along the body, and then they have trachea along the body. Okay. Phylum Moluska. Okay, phylum Moluska. They are also asymmetry, triploblastic, coelomate, but it is unsegmented. Okay. So the body plan is very unique. Okay, it has visceral mass which stores a lot of organ and has a lot of systems in it. Okay, the mouth has radula. Radula is the small and fine teeth used to pierce and used to break down food particles before engulfed through esophagus. Okay, then it has excretory organ which is nephrita. Okay, and the circulation system is either open or closed. Okay, they respire through gills or lung inside the mantle cavity. So this is the mantle, everything inside here is the mantle cavity. The nervous system is also advanced. Okay, for phylum Akinodermata. Usually the example of Akinodermata are starfish. Okay, they exist either at larval stage or adult stage. Okay, and each of it has different symmetry. At the larval stage, it has bilateral symmetry, while at the adult stage, it is radially symmetry. It is unsegmented and triploblastic. The structure is very unique, in which it has no head. Okay, and the mouth is generally located downwards. Okay, and on the top of it is usually the anus. Okay, it has tube feet which help in locomotion. Okay, so inside here they have ampulla, they have digestive gland, and there are a lot of spines and gills covering the Akinodermata. They also have gonads. Gonads usually produces gametes for the purpose of fertilization. They have simple nervous system without brain. Okay, there is no circulatory system and no respiratory or excretory system. The only system that exists is the water vascular system. There are endoskeleton, in which hard calcium carbonate, composed of hard calcium carbonate in their plates and spines. The reproduction is either sexual reproduction or asexual reproduction. Okay. When it is undergoing sexual reproduction, the adult produces gamete, and then later the gamete fertilize and form a larva. Okay, the next unique phylum is Kordata. Kordata is the only vertebrate phylum. So humans are also Kordata. Okay. The unique characteristic is it has bilateral symmetry, it is coelomate, it is triploblastic and has notochord. So notochord is the cartilaginous part which usually form tail. In human, the tail exists during the embryonic stage, but it disappears when the fetus is fully developed. In some animals, the notochord can still be seen until adulthood. So this is the basic structure of an early Kordata. Okay, they have pharynx, mouth. They usually have brain. They have dorsal hollow nerve cord, which will form the spinal cord and the nervous system. They have notochord, post-anal tail, anus, intestine, stomach, composing the digestive system, and they have heart for circulatory system, blood circulation. Okay, so they have closed circulatory system and they have myotomes. So myotomes is referring to muscles. Okay, here it is the same chart that you did before for you to see the modification that happened across these 4 phylum. Later you can compare these 4 phylum with another 5 phylum starting from Porifera and see how this characteristic end up in the phylogeny tree that we see in the beginning of this subtopic. Thank you so much for listening and happy revising.